Today I want to teach you how to play the most beautiful piano intro in the whole world. I've played this song and this intro so many times before that I can tell you without a doubt that this will impress your friends and family. You might be wondering, why can I tell you this? Well, I played this song and many others to my friends, family, and also to my million followers, and they were always impressed when they saw me play this song. So if you watch this video till the end, you will for sure impress your friends and family easily. So let's get into it. It will sound something like this. So beautiful. We will get into a little bit more later. I don't want to talk too much, so let's just start and get ready. For the right hand, the only thing you need to know is we want to find the A. So basically, if you don't know the note names, we just want to find a group of 3 black notes like this, or we can also take this one. You see, a group of 3 black notes. This is a group of 2 black notes. We don't need that now. This is a group of 3 black notes. So we can start here, we can start here, we can start on here. And now we just want to have or go between the second and the third black note. In between there is this white note, the A. And for this one, we simply use the pinky, like this. Pinky, ring finger, pinky, ring finger, pinky. Now we change to the index finger, down to this E, back to the pinky, and to the thumb. So it will sound like this. And this is actually so much easier if you download the Scales cheat sheet completely for free. Just click the link in the description down below. You will see that I will just blend it in for you. It is so much easier when you see the exact colors of the notes that you're allowed to play. So you just know, okay, which are the right notes. And for this one, we just use these 2 notes right here and change down also to these 2 blue notes. Very simple. You just print it out and just have it on the piano, and you will see that you just have to take a look at which notes you can play. So this is a blue note, perfect. We play this one, this is also a blue note, but this not. So we don't wanna touch this one because we don't wanna burn our fingers. This one is lava, we don't wanna touch it, but this one is perfectly fine. So now we wanna play this note, back, and to the thumb right here. And you already have the right hand melody, intro melody. So easy. Now for the left hand, it's also so easy because we only need 4 notes. Very, very simple. We need this black note right here. And again, it's so helpful to just take a look at the cheat sheet because you see, this is the first note on this scale or on this pattern of blue notes that we want to play. It's just the first note. Then we move up to this D right here, but instead of playing it up here, I just choose to play a lower frequency, this one. Then we change to this A and down to this E. It's the same thing if you play it right here, the E, but we just play it down here. So we have the first note, second one, third note, and the fourth. And we just repeat that. Very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. But now we want to make it even more beautiful, because if we play like this, it's not that beautiful, right? I mean, yeah, it got something, but there is something missing. We just add some spice. I love to call it like that because it's like you're eating a meal without seasoning. Like, it's boring. But now we want to season it. We want to make it more special. More like there are more specials inside, and it's just more fun. And it sounds more fun to play like this because we want to transition from this to you see, so much more beautiful. It got so much more power. In just 1 or 2 seconds, you can just get so much more emotions out of people. So let's just do this. We do the same thing, like I explained to you, the first 4 notes we need with the left hand. You got it, right? 1, 2, 3, keeps like that, the whole song. But now we want to add something more to it. Instead of just playing this bass note or this single note right here, we want to play an octave and a fifth. So we just count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And to 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We play these 3 notes together. We get a nice chord. We do the same thing also for this second note we had before. Do the same thing. We get something like this. We do the same thing for the 3 we had before. And for the 4, you get something really beautiful, like this. When you play more of the song. And now we make it even more beautiful by just splitting it up into each note separately. So we don't just play everything together with the left hand, but everything at its time. So 1, 2, 3. And then we change to the second note. 1, 2, 3. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. You see how simple this is. You just give yourself time to play each finger on its own. And then we just combine it with the first melody or the intro melody we learned. When you want to continue, you just do it again. But we add these 2 notes right here. It's very simple, only these 2 notes. It's like a transition back into the melody. It takes you back. And then you just do the same thing. Perfect. Now you see I used this thumb right here because you can play it like this, or you can just do the thumb 1 wide note up. Also sounds beautiful. So you get something like this. So beautiful. And then when you continue it, you just play this one, this black note with your index finger and the 3rd note on the left hand. Very simple. You just do this. Then think of the transition back into it. Now you just do it again. So simple, easy, and also beautiful. There are many people that just always say, oh, River Flows in You is such an easy song. Why do you teach something like that? Because it's so easy, but I think it is really beautiful. It teaches you the basics of how to play with your left hand, with your right hand, and just make especially the left hand really beautiful. Now, if you want to learn more of this song, you can just click the link in the description down below. It will be the first link to learn more about River Flows in You. And if you're interested to learn piano in the 7-day starter course, you will learn how to play 3 songs and all my methods that I use daily when I play piano, and you will learn that in 7 days. So check it out, and also don't forget to download the free Scales cheat sheet below. It will definitely help you to make faster progress on the piano. I'll see you in the next one.